Hey, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. What a crazy 2 weeks we had with the ice and the snow and weather and losing our power and our water. And it was very traumatic for everyone. If you've never lived through a big winter event like that and had to deal with it, it can be very overwhelming. And so I'm sure a lot of you are still a little bit stressed out, a little bit burnout, maybe still a little bit anxious about everything and worried about your family. Um, so, because of everything that's happening and the stress that we're all under from everything, I've decided that for now we're going to put our technical theater unit kind of on a pause. We're still going to come back to it. We're going to come back to it after spring break. Um, but instead of us doing vocab and learning new information constantly every day, I want to go easy on you guys and just give you moments to be creative and to enjoy some live theater before spring break. So, we're going to be starting um, this time back together with a designing project where you get to design your dream bedroom and turn it into a set. So it's still kind of to do with technical theater and the stuff that we learned before, but we're not learning new information. And then after that, that's going to be like a week-long project. And then after that, we're going to watch the Newsies, the Broadway musical, The Newsies. So if you have Disney Plus, you can watch it on there. If you're here at school with me, we're going to be watching it here at school. There's no free way to watch it. So if you don't have Disney Plus, then I have a backup play for you to watch on YouTube. Um, so yeah, that's the best I can do. And then after spring break, we'll pick up with our theater or our technical theater unit. Um, We'll do technical theater. We'll do our technical theater project that we were going to originally do. And then we're going to move on to a couple other things. And the good news is for those of you that like acting, because the COVID numbers are going down, I'm feeling more comfortable with giving you guys acting assignments. So in May, our big final project is going to involve some acting in it. And I will, of course, go over that more when we get closer to May. We got to make it till then, of course. But again, I just wanted to give you all an update. As for grades, I did grades before the winter apocalypse happened, um, and I have not touched them since. So if you did any work at all during the snow apocalypse, um, I haven't had the time or the power or the mental capacity to like go in and edit those grades. So if your parents are at all worried about what's happening with your grades, it will be fixed before the next progress report card. But the current progress report card, um, it is what it is. But if you've done your work, it's going to be good to go on your actual report card for spring break or before spring break. Um, Before we start the Newsies assignment, I am going to give you guys a day to try and fix your grades on your structures of drama exam, or just turn it in if you never did, because a good chunk of you haven't done anything. Um, or I'm going to give you some extra credit if you're really hurting for some work. Um, but that's all. Do it on your own time that last week before the marking period is over. So, anyway, this is a lot of information. And I just wanted to make sure you all are doing all right. If you have anything that you want me to know about what's going on at home, please send me a message and let me know. Um, Literally anything. If things have been tough, if things have been good, if you've enjoyed your time off, if you've hated it. If you don't want to share anything with me, that's fine too. But I've been very worried. I've been thinking about you all through all of this, and I just look forward to things getting back to normal, as COVID normal as they can be, and seeing your faces and communicating with you all again online. So let's get back to it.